Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a video using the Kiki,
do you love me? I'm riding, so you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. See, the new me is really still the real me, I swear you gotta let it.
This is the KKW X Mario palette. I know this came out like this year, in April. And it's been a way long overdue. I got this as a birthday present from my best friends. And if you guys are watching this, thank you so much. You guys know how much I freaking love you guys for this. And like for everything you guys have done in my life, obviously. Not just for this. I sound like a gold digger. No. So anyways, today I did this eye look using the KKW X Mario palette. It is such a beautiful palette. I'm sure you guys have seen this everywhere. So yeah, just please keep on watching if you guys want to know my thoughts on this palette and how it performed on the eyes and all of that. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know what to do with that. And yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. Hey guys, so let's just start with the tutorial. This is going to be just a talk through, and I'm gonna tell you guys the process of how I'm gonna achieve this look right here. It's super duper simple. I'm using the KKW X Mario. You guys see when the light hits it just right, you guys can see that it has a mirror right there. Hey, and then this is the actual palette. It is beautiful. Honestly, this palette is like super duper basic, and I think that's why, oh sorry, my Netflix just played. That's why I was actually really interested in this palette, because of how like basic it is. First shade I'm gonna go in is with Miami, and Miami is a soft brown shadow. If you guys are wondering why I have mascara on, is because I went out for dinner and bought some things for my Dubai trip. So that's why I have basically makeup on. I removed my face makeup, but I still have mascara on. Oh my god, totally forgot. I'm gonna use a scotch tape to get like this really nice like winged effect on the outer corner. Honestly, so far it is extremely pigmented, and when I was using it on this eye, it was very easy to blend as well. And then I'm going to go into the shade Albanian, which is that reddish color. But I don't know if you guys can see, this eyeshadow is super pigmented. Like, damn sis. Like, honestly, just putting this in your crease and then with mascara, it looks so good on its own. Like, you don't even need to put any more shadows. Like I said, it's just a nice basic look. A basic palette. Not look, sorry. A basic palette. Okay. Then, I'm gonna go into this pencil liner. It's a black pencil liner from Estee Lauder. This came in like a collection set like a few years back. So, I'm going to first draw a line against the scotch tape. With this pencil brush right here, I'm gonna go to the shade Vegas, which is that purple shade. It's so pretty. It's I'm so obsessed with this purple. I'm gonna just first drag it right on top of that black liner. What this is gonna do is gonna act like an adhesive, and and it's gonna darken up that purple even more, make it look very smoky. So we're just gonna smoke out the lash line first. Leaving that little space there with that white. Do you see how it's like a bit white here? We're just gonna leave that blank. with that red shade. I think it's called Albanian. And then I'm just going to blend that out. Then I'm going to go into that purple shade with the shade Albanian. I think it's Vegas and Albanian. I'm just going to put that on the outer corners and blend it into my crease. Just like so. Now what I'm going to do is, because I feel like the outer corners are a bit too harsh and not as blended, I'm going to go into my Melt Cosmetics Dark Stack. I'm going to take the shade Blur. Now, if you don't have this shade, you can just use your regular powder, like a powder foundations, because what this does is it basically blurs out the eyeshadows and it makes them blend well and nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend that into my crease and blend it throughout the eyeshadows to make them all blend seamlessly. Just like so. It's a really nice, it's a simple smoky eye. Very, very simple, day appropriate. It's just pretty and something that I have not seen on YouTube yet, with this palette at least. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with lashes and I'm gonna do my whole base makeup and then I will be back. I've already done my base and I also did bronzer. Why do I look brighter and whiter on camera? I swear to God, I look normal. I can never do things right. I'm just so annoyed. But anyways, I'm just gonna contour my face, and for that I'm gonna take my Australis ACONTOUR or a contour palette. I'm gonna take the center shade. I use this to bronze up my face. I'm gonna use that center shade to contour. I'm gonna use that center shade to contour my cheeks. And that is heavy. That is very heavy. My skin is breaking out again ever since I started the Orethane, but from what I heard, the Orethane does that. It breaks you out first before it makes your skin better, so please get better. Thank you so much. For blush, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Berry Adore. I'm going to go into the shade Velvet, which is this color right here. Maybe I'm going to mix Velvet with Exotic. So I'm going to mix this too because I feel like it goes with the eye look a little bit. I'm going to take my Morphe E4 brush. Now, please be careful with ABH blushes. They're crazy pigmented. It's shooketh. Dun, dun. I look like a clown now, so that's really great. That's just what I want in life, to look like a clown. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I actually look like a clown. I love that for me. Love that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Honestly, love that for me. Just genuinely love that for me. I'm gonna take my powder and just put it right on top to make my blush not look so crazy. I look very crazy. I still feel like I look very blushy, but we're just gonna go with that. Yeah. Blush. No, for highlight, babe. Please get your shit together, babe. For highlight, I'm gonna take Jeffree Star Summer Snow Cone, and I'm just going to now I feel like it's very yellow. Like, obviously that's the highlight, it's a yellow gold highlight, but I feel like it's very yellow, so I'm gonna go into the crystal ball one. Yes, I have both. Can we all just realize that I have a psycho obsession, so we're just gonna deal with it. Okay, I'm gonna take the white and just apply that right on top. That's insane. Love that. And then I'm gonna take my powder brush and just make sure they all blend together. I'm just going to do my lower lash line off camera. I'm just going to take this, and this, and just do something to my lower lash line with those 3 shades. If I use any other shades, I'll let you guys know. I probably will use this really crazy white over here. I'm going to put it in my inner corners as well as my brow bone. So yeah, I will do my lower lash line off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that the whole entire eyes are done, I'm going to put on some lip scrub before I put on my lipstick because I'm planning to go for a darker look. Although I think like a nude lip will look so good. But I always use nudes. I'm using the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub in Peach Popsicle. I'm going to take Kylie's Spice Lip Liner with the liquid lipstick. Okay, so this is the completed look. I look super white and I don't know why. Hold on. Let's just pray and hope that I don't look so yellow when I transfer this video into my laptop. And I'll just be there like, right. Love that for me. What do I think of the KKW Mario palette? I think it is a beautiful palette. And I think that it blends very nicely, very easily. And I think Mario did a really great job with this palette. The price point is very expensive. I think if you were to ship this to Singapore, it could cost like 70, yeah, probably like $60 to $70. I don't know exactly how much the price is because I did get this as a present from my best friends. To be completely honest, I think this is a nice traveling palette. I know you guys are gonna be like, I don't travel every year. I get it, I don't too. Like, but it is a nice palette because you have your gold and your bronze and you have some pop of colors and you have those neutral that you can use every single day. And I think it's such a practical palette because you have your pop of colors as well, so you guys can like mix and match. But if you guys have a lot of palettes already and you're not a collector, I don't think you would like this palette just because it would be like, well, those are the kind of shades that I already have in other palettes or you already have in single shadows or anything like that. So this, like a few shades that are very basic, you guys would already have it. And if you have a lot of palettes in general, you have a lot of neutral palettes, you would already have this kind of color scheme in your regular palette. So you guys might think like this palette is not worth it. But if you're a collector like me, like you love makeup and you love collecting makeup, you're going to love this. Her eyeshadow formula is amazing. It's I wouldn't say it's like Kylie's one are like super okay, but this one's also super pigmented. Okay, I don't know, I might need to do like a half and half. Oh, that's a great idea. I should do like a Kylie on one side and then like Kim one eye, and then I'll compare like which one is better. Oh my god, that's a genius idea. Has anyone ever done that? They probably have. I'm like really lost in this. Even though this came out this year, I think she has already released another 3 more palettes. So beautiful. I want to get it so badly, but like I'm so broke, so no, I can't get it. Okay, would I recommend this palette? I say yes if you want to invest in a new neutral shadow palette and you guys are like, you love Kim Kardashian, you love keeping up with the Kardashians, you love supporting all these brands, then yes, you would love this palette because one, it is a collaboration with Makeup by Mario. It is a nice basic neutral palette and I really like it. Would I repurchase it for myself? Like, would I buy it with my own money? Yes, because I am obsessed with makeup, so you're asking the wrong person. But if I'm broke and I don't have the money and I have 3 other million neutral palettes, then no, I would not get this palette because it is very basic. I'm okay, I'm so sorry, like I know basic sounds so rude and mean, but it is a basic palette. It just has a little bit of a pop of colors. I do love it, and I would definitely still use it. It's not a needed palette, that's for sure. Just so you know, I might not be uploading any videos on YouTube for about 2 weeks or so, maybe even 3 weeks, because I will be in Dubai, and I don't think I'll have time to pre-film and then edit and then upload it. I just don't think I have the time to do that. And I might, I'm not sure yet, but I might extend that to the end of the year, because I feel like I need a break from social media for a bit. That's not confirmed yet, because I'm not gonna lie, I freaking enjoy doing videos for you guys, and I love editing, and I just love this whole entire thing. But definitely for 3 weeks I won't be uploading on YouTube, like 2 to 3 weeks during the December period. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you girls, bye. Mwah.